Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and I am a booktuber. As you all know, I am making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic in each and every video so you people can understand in a better way. Okay friends? And what I am doing is that I am giving number to each and every video. So whenever you come sequence wise, you will understand it in a better way, right? So in our last video, I've covered the topic called the high good soul, right? Okay. So in our this video, I'm going to cover the topic. The name of the topic is what is a good deed, and the number of this video is 65th. And before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like my video, so whenever I update a new video, you will get a notification. Okay, friends. So I will start. Okay. 12/6/1981, 12th June 1981. What is a good deed? Good deeds are those that are done with an absolute selfless motive. If there is even a tiny bit of selfishness in it, it cannot be called a good deed. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshet Bhavanagari that good deed is that which is done with selfless motive. Even if we do, even with 1% of selfish motive, it is not going to count as a good deed. So if we are helping to anybody and if you're doing anything for anybody, we should do it by a selfless motive, not by selfish motive. It would be a selfish deed. Means if we do anything by selfish motive, it is going to be a selfish deed. Good deeds that are performed selflessly, are real boon to your progress. They will carry you higher more rapidly than anything else. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us that if we do good deed in our life, if we help people with good motive without any expectation, that is going to take us to very further in our life. So we should always help other person without any expectation from getting anything from that person, anything else. Unfortunately, behind all their good deeds, people on earth almost always think that it will take them to higher level and their sin will be forgiven. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavanagari that in people in the earth, whenever they do any good deed, they think that I am doing the good deed because to go in the heaven, because to go in the higher realm, and my all sins is going to forget. So whatever crime we will do in our life, it is going to get wiped off by doing a good deed. But it won't, it doesn't happen, and the spirit world doesn't work in this chronology, as you all know, and I have covered all this topic in my last videos. You can check it out. We must warn you that this thought brings you lower rather than take you to the higher level. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling, even thinking this type of thoughts which always take us to the lower realm apart from taking us to the higher realm. So even in our dreams also we should not think this type of thoughts. Only those good deeds that are done naturally and out of kindness without any thought of going higher. So good deed is only those deed which we do without a selfless and selflessly, without even a thought of going higher in our life. So that is exactly counted as good deed. And mostly all the work we should do a good deed. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. Can be considered selfless good deed after performing the good deed. So when we do any selfless good deed, for example we helped anybody without any expectation, so it will be considered as good deed, and definitely we will get advantage of that good deed whichever we did in our life. Immediately forget about it, don't think of it at all. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, if we did any good deed in our life, we should immediately forget about it. Just help it and forget it. Do not even think twice about it. Even it is said, when we help with right hand to anybody, to left hand should not also know. Or even we help somebody with our left hand, even right hand should also do not know that we have helped somebody. So this is exactly the good deed. If you are able to do that, no selfish thought will penetrate your mind. A selfish afterthought always put you on the track. So Vipsi and Ratu is saying, if we can do anything in this way, then no selfish thought can come in our mind, and it is definitely possible that we will go in the higher realm, in the higher level. So if you have done a good deed automatically and just for kindness sake, forget about it immediately. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us, even if we do any good deed in our life with kindness, just forget it. Do not even think twice about it. Good deed done entirely for sake of forgiveness in other, in order to wipe out your karma with genuine repentance. They are not selfless good deeds. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us, if we do some good deed to wipe out our karma, we did anything negative in our life and we are doing some good deed to wipe out our karma, it won't happen. It won't even wipe out a 1% of our karma. By doing good deed, bad deed won't be wiped out. So if we do good deed, just do good deed. Do not think of wiping out your bad karma. So I am doing good deed. It won't happen, because negative karma have its own consequence, positive karma have its own consequence. The credit account is different and the debit account is different. The positive account is different of a soul and the negative account is different from the soul, and we should have to pay all the accounts. They will never take you to a higher level, you can be sure of that. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, if we do any good deed also by thinking to wipe out bad deed, it is not going to take us higher, it is going to take us more lower. So apart from that, do not do such type of deeds. Before doing a good deed, be sure your motive is not selfish at all. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, before doing a good deed, be sure that your motive should not be a selfishness at all. If you succeed in that, you must also succeed in forgetting about it entirely. Success in this is in your own hand. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling, we should always do good deed and forget it, because in this success is in completely our own hand, right? So we are going to do good deed and or bad deed, it is completely in our hand. So we should do good deed and immediately forget it. Immediately, when we should not think even a single time, yes, I helped that person, or we should not tell that I did this for that person. Never. Just do it and forget it. That's the actually good deed. For example, if you do something for the sake of a loved one, you don't care to broadcast it or think twice about it. You do it out of love for that beloved soul. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari that if we are doing a good deed, never try to broadcast it even to yourself. Other we should not never broadcast, but to even ourselves also, I did that thing for that person. Even we should not tell ourselves, we should not broadcast it in our mind also. So that is actually good deed. You love to care for them, to see their comfort, and you even like to make sacrifice for them. Therefore, whenever you do for your beloved, take the joy in it. Then forget it as through it was a natural deed. So we should do a good work like a natural, like I love that person and naturally I did something for my loved one, and I do not even broadcast that thing in my mind. So we should help other, but out of naturality, as a natural deed, as it should be a habit of mine helping other person. It should not be for any selfish motive that I did this thing for that person, I expect this thing from that person. It should not happen. So that is a selfish state. So we should not even broadcast that thing to ourselves. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari. An expression of true affection, unless of course you love, is not true. So it is even if we do not love anybody and we are doing for our own sake, it is not correct. Okay. So in 1 second, your good deed can turn into a selfish one. So before you have time to think more, just forget it. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, even our good deed can turn into bad deed within 1 second. So even we have time to think about it, just forget it. That's the actually good deed. So remember, one tiny bit of selfish thought will wipe off your good deed. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, even a one tiny selfish thought also is going to wipe out our good deed. Okay friends, so this topic, today's topic came to an end. So today's in our video we have covered the topic called what is good deed, and in tomorrow's topic, in our next video I'm going to cover the topic called revenge. Okay, so friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making this full book in each and every video so you people can understand. Okay, and I am even giving numbers to each and every video so you can see it and understand it in a proper way. And friends, do subscribe my channel, like my video, press the bell icon so whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification. Okay, so this brings end to our video. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, be happy, stay blessed, take care, and always we will. As I say, we will are going to meet in the spirit world in the higher realm, and you will say, I used to see your video, and today we all are in the spirit world. Yippee! Okay, bye. Till then, goodbye. I will meet you in the next video. Okay.